Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're signed into the exact Google account tied to the channel. Once done, open your Google account settings and change language and region to the locale whose number system you want. This controls separators and grouping. Next, open YouTube in a desktop browser and temporarily disable privacy extensions. These steps set the environment so YouTube can display numbers using the chosen format rather than your device defaults. Now synchronize browser language with your Google account language to ensure YouTube inherits the correct number format. In YouTube Studio, go to Settings, right arrow Channel, right arrow Advanced Settings, and look for display or accessibility options that affect formatting. Toggle any related options. If you don't see changes, clear the browser cache and cookies or open an incognito window, then reload YouTube. This forces YouTube to re-render pages. Finish by restarting your browser and signing back into YouTube to confirm the new number formatting appears across Studio and public views. If you still see abbreviated or unchanged counts, change your operating system's locale or test another browser. Sometimes device-level settings override web preferences. As a final troubleshooting tip, take screenshots and report the problem to Google support. Include your account locale, browser version, and steps you tried so they can trace rendering or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.